Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. You all have must listen the names of wonders of the world. In this video, I'll give you the brief explanation about the past and the present of the wonders, and I'll also tell you that which wonder is also been considered as a wonder of the world in this technical world. First wonder of the world is Chichen Itza, located in Mexico. The word Chichen Itza means the mouth at the well of Itza. It is believed Itza means water magicians, and it has been derived from Marian. This unique quality for which it is famous is that it is standing without any support of pillars, which shows the ability of that engineer. Second wonder of the world is Petra. The ancient city of Petra became one of the 7 new wonders of the world when it was chosen in 2007 by votes of 100 million peoples. Its unique quality for which it is famous is its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system. Water conduit system is a method of using mechanical energy of water as part of water delivery system through man-made conduits to generate electricity. Third wonder of the world is Machu Picchu. It was built in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian historical sanctuary in 1981. The unique quality of Machu Picchu for which it is famous is that it is more than 7,000 feet above sea level in the Andes mountain and is the most visited tourist destination in Peru. The fourth wonder of the world is Great Wall of China, located in China. Its unique quality is that it is the longest man-made structure in the world, with a total length of about 21,196.18 kilometers. It is made over the course of 100 years. The fifth wonder of the world is Taj Mahal, located in India. It was built in 1648 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as memorial to his wife. Its unique quality is that its enormous beauty. People say that there is no artificial lighting in Taj Mahal because it has marble structure and can be seen in all glory in natural light. Sixth wonder of the world is Christ the Redeemer. It is a statue created in 1931. It is an Art Deco statue with height 38 meters. It is made in the duration of 9 years. Its arms are 28 meters long. Its unique quality is that its weight is 635 metric tons and is located at the peak of 700 meters high. Colosseum is the 7th wonder of the world. It is situated in Rome. It is built of concrete and sand, and its unique quality is that it is the longest amphitheater ever built. Also, it is partially ruined because of damages caused by earthquakes and stone robbers, and Colosseum is made of full angle of 360.